This video is sponsored by Ethos. Thanks, Ethos. Detroit?
Yeah, we're in the middle. Yeah, I know. Yeah, we're literally not anywhere near Detroit. But like, we landed in Detroit, so technically we were in Detroit.
Yeah, yeah. Tricky. Let's show 'em some love. Welcome to Detroit.
Where's my gangsters and all my thugs? Throw them hands up and show some love. And welcome to Detroit City. I said welcome to Detroit City. Every place, everywhere we go, man, we deep.
Go to Detroit, bitch.
Let's go round, man, they all know tricky. That's what's good, man, they all say tricky.
We are in Detroit, Rock City. We're meeting up with our buddy Dylan. We're here at the airport. We just landed. I'm already looking at some cat excavators out there doing some work. But you know, it's nice to be in America.
First things on the list, double Big Mac.
Supersized Coke.
Supersized fries. What do they drink for coffee here? Dunkin' Donuts.
Let's go, dude. Dude, what are we drinking? Oh, this video is sponsored by Rain. Fuck you. Are we zinning it up? Zimbonian? Some Zimbabwe? Oh my god. Oh, I just shook my hand.
Here, we'll bring this with us.
There's one in the chamber.
Yeah. We don't fuck around, dude.
Do you just have that in
Here,
here?
you can take that to the truck.
You can actually just carry it? No, you can't.
Yes,
Oh
you
my
can.
god, this feels so fucked. So you can legally just walk around.
Dude, the trucking company I use, they wear them on their hips when we're in Detroit.
This feels so fucked. Man, America is insane.
Yeah, come on, bring it with you.
No one's gonna like fucking shoot me.
Give it to me.
Yeah, you fucking want with it.
I got my high vis on, I got my boots on, like, but I'm ready to fucking work, dude.
Don't know where you at, don't know where you been, don't know nothing about that boy you're into. Don't feel bad for you, but I feel bad for him, and all the hell you gon' be putting.
Well, Dylan needs to fucking eat again. I'm all zinned up.
You go here?
A&W, yeah.
Oh, you guys have this?
I ain't nothing but a long gone thing. You can cuss my name, but baby, don't you lie. When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me? When you're riding where he's driving, are you missing my street? Every time you close your eyes, tell me who do you see? When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me?
Hey everyone, I wanted to talk to you guys today about something that is super important to me and hits super close to home. Life insurance. On this video, I have teamed up with Ethos to bring awareness to something that can change your lives or the lives of your loved ones. A little bit about me. About 2 years ago, someone in our close family passed away unexpectedly. So whenever Ethos reached out for this, I wanted to take this because life insurance was something that after this event happened, we realized how important it was. If you've ever looked into life insurance, then you know how overwhelming it is and all the information. But Ethos changes that entirely. Ethos is quick, simple, and affordable. When I checked it out, I couldn't believe how quick and easy it was. You can literally get a personalized quote within minutes. Ethos wants life insurance to be affordable so that you can protect your loved ones without straining the budget. Every single year that you wait to get life insurance, it literally goes up in price. So the link is down below for everything that I just said. Right now, hit the link and go and make a decision, not for yourself, but for your loved ones as well. Thank you. Scratch there, Dylan. What happened? You got a little close? Yeah. I can't believe the guy that had that before us did that. That was already there. That was already there.
I was like, you know what, he'll lick it off. Like,
No one's told me. Dude, I had crusty ketchup for 3 hours and I was filming a YouTube video. You're a fucking asshole, man. All right. Sorry about the crusty ketchup, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jesus Christ. Why does a live bottom need fucking 8 axles?
so they can haul during frost loss, I guess.
Yeah. Good day. working with the boys at fucking D Squared here. Fucking, we got Mike Squared and Dylan Squared here in the rig. We're gonna go get some fucking pizza, hammer out some fucking Pabst Blue Ribbons, some fucking PBRs for the boys. Dylan has it in ultra slow-mo. Thanks, Dylan, for fucking up my goddamn resolution.
Day 2. And blue collar we trust.
Another beautiful day in the state of Michigan. The sun is on our side today. Birds are out. I haven't seen a single fucking bird yet, but the birds are out. And we're gonna get after it. We're gonna run a big bulldozer. Yo.
Tesla. All right. You can cut out that other.
Hey, yo, aim. Yeah. Run it up, Blondo.
Oh, it's not a 6-way? Oh, you turn the blade like this. See, it's a joystick to turn the blade like this, where ours, you actually physically turn it. So that would be cut left, cut right, blade down, blade up, and then this is steering. Nice radio, Bluetooth, nice screen. It's the newest dozer I've ever been in. I never ran anything else other than our little full 50. Cool. Oh.
See, I'm from Texas, where we should ride in swangers and put diamonds in our necklace. Pour drink inside my lemonade till it look like a Pepsi. See, I come from the D where we got checks and we be flexing. If you ain't from my state, then you should know don't mess with Texas. Hey, we always strapped, we keep our weapons. My mama from the A, she slowed it down for me at 7. Used to think Pimp C was a god before he went to heaven. I knew what Pushin P was before Gunna even said it.
I don't know what happened, movie. It was like, it was just in the air, and then, I don't know, one thing led to the other, and I just threw my coffee at it.
And now it won't take off. Taylor is confident that that is going to fly. Me, not so much.
I started from nothing, right? There you go, Luke.
Yeah, you just have to stabilize the photos after you're done.
No. Oh, fuck.
Stop.
What's it like being recorded all the time? It's annoying, eh?
Yeah, it's a little annoying.
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
They're sending super trains?
Super train!
Super trains! Buddy, you're a hard man, young man, singing on the street, but a bit of a man Sunday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Taking your can all over the place.
Everybody, we will rock you.
Okay, we had a little bit of footage from Detroit. It was one of those things where we had the footage from back then. We are now in the future. I'm super pumped that we were able to share with you the Detroit video because I had an awesome time. I want to thank Dylan from D2 Contracting, Zach from Advanced Landworks, the boys from Triple C were down there, the city of Detroit for having me. Even though we weren't in Detroit, we were more in like Howlett area. But that was fun. I like traveling. I like seeing everything that was going on. I'm at the Carp Fair all weekend this weekend. Movie's gonna be there doing some filming, checking out a bunch of shit. So if you're in the area, you're going to Carp Fair, I'm at the antique section there all weekend. Saturday, Sunday, come check it out. Carp Fair. Thanks for watching. Detroit. Dylan, you're a bitch. Ha!
And then everything we're indicating up front here shows a smooth ride on the descent into Detroit. So we'll do.
But of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patrons of the channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, Detroit Rock City. Why are you commenting down below Detroit Rock City? Well, we were in Detroit Rock City, but not really. But we're gonna go with that, we were. So if you're watching the entire video to the very end, comment down below, Detroit Rock City. Appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. As always, take care. Merch link down below. Get some hats. Bye.